Imagine walking into a room and someone says, "That's a pit bull." But what if I told you that this one name hides dozens of different dogs, each with its own strength, history, and personality? Today, we uncover the hidden world of pit bull breeds. Not myths, not fear, just the truth. It all started centuries ago, when humans needed dogs for strength, protection, and survival. From that need came the foundation of what we now call pit bulls. The American Staffordshire Terrier shares its roots with the APBT, but diverged as breeders focused on conformation shows rather than farm or work tasks. These dogs retain the athleticism and loyalty of their APBT ancestors, but are generally slightly more approachable and social. Temperament, friendly, affectionate, and protective, American Staffordshire Terriers are particularly good with families. They display a combination of strength and gentle nature, making them ideal for households with children. While they are strong-willed, their intelligence and eagerness to please make training relatively straightforward. Compared to the APBT, American Staffordshire Terriers are more standardized in appearance, with a slightly broader head and stockier frame. They are less commonly associated with aggression in public perception because of their emphasis on temperament in breeding programs. Proper socialization from puppyhood is critical. They are intelligent and thrive on mental challenges. They respond exceptionally well to reward-based training and enjoy participating in sports like obedience, tracking, and agility. Originating in England, the Staffordshire Bull Terrier is a smaller, stockier dog, often nicknamed the nanny dog. They were initially bred for courage, stamina, and loyalty in a compact form. Staffordshire Bull Terriers are brave, playful, and deeply attached to their families. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them excellent companions. Though small, they are muscular and surprisingly strong, capable of handling tasks requiring endurance. They are particularly known for their gentleness with children and family members, though their historic bravery ensured they could also protect homes if necessary. Training and behavior. Consistent, positive reinforcement works best. Early exposure ensures they remain social, while regular activity helps maintain their well-being. The red-nosed pit bull is a rare and visually striking line of APBTs, recognized by its reddish coat, copper eyes, and characteristic red nose. This color variant is a recessive gene and is less common than traditional APBTs. Modern responsible breeders prioritize health, social temperament, and family compatibility. These dogs respond well to structured routines, mental challenges, and regular physical exercise. The blue-nosed pit bull is another rare variation of the APBT, featuring a diluted coat and gray-blue nose. Like the red nose, this trait is the result of a recessive gene. Calm, loyal, and steady, blue-nosed pit bulls are generally affectionate with their families. Often bred for appearance, their temperament is similar to standard APBTs, requiring equal attention and exercise. Consistent reinforcement and mental stimulation are key. With proper structure, they are loyal, family-friendly companions. The pocket pit bull is a smaller, compact version of the traditional APBT, bred to maintain all the strength, agility, and intelligence of its larger cousins, but in a more manageable size. Despite their smaller stature, pocket pit bulls are incredibly muscular and possess high endurance levels. Pocket pit bulls are energetic, playful, and extremely loyal. Their smaller size does not diminish their courage or determination. They form strong bonds with their families and are particularly affectionate with children. Developed in the United States, breeders aimed to create a more compact dog without sacrificing the temperament or working abilities of the traditional APBT. Compared to standard APBTs, pocket pit bulls are more suited for urban environments where space may be limited. Unlike the American Bully, which was developed for a bulkier appearance, pocket pit bulls focus on agility, temperament, and loyalty. Due to their intelligence and energy, they excel with positive reinforcement training and structured routines. When raised correctly, these dogs are lively, family-friendly companions who display the hallmark pit bull courage and loyalty. The Old Family Red-Nosed Pit Bull is a lineage that focuses heavily on preserving the original traits of the APBT, particularly temperament, loyalty, and intelligence. Unlike modern show or bully-type dogs, the OFRN emphasizes health, working ability, and family-friendly characteristics. OFRN pit bulls are balanced, social, and highly trainable. They form strong bonds and enjoy daily family activities. This line was developed in the United States from working-class APBTs that maintained traditional traits rather than show standards. The The focus was on creating a dog that could perform as a working companion, protect homes, and still be a loving family pet. The OFRN is considered one of the healthiest pit bull lines due to careful breeding practices, focusing on temperament and stability. Positive reinforcement and early socialization are crucial. OFRN dogs respond well to structured environments. Their adaptability makes them suitable for various roles, including obedience, agility, and therapy. They display a rare combination of courage, loyalty, and calmness, making them one of the most well-rounded pit bull lines. The American Bully is a modern pit bull derivative developed to combine strength and loyalty with a stable, family-friendly temperament. Although often criticized for its intimidating appearance, properly bred American Bullies are typically gentle, social, and adaptable. American Bullies are confident and highly social. They retain the courage of APBTs but are generally calmer and more tolerant. This makes them suitable for families, therapy roles, and urban living, provided they receive proper training and socialization. Originating in the United States, breeders carefully selected dogs for temperament to ensure stability despite their muscular look. Compared to APBTs and pocket pit bulls, American Bullies are larger and heavier, bred for social behavior rather than aggression. They benefit from consistent, positive training and regular exercise. Without stimulation, their energy can lead to boredom. With proper guidance, they excel in obedience and companionship, all while maintaining their calm, family-friendly attitude. The Gator line is one of the more extreme pit bull lines, historically bred for power, stamina, and fighting capability. Developed in the United States, these dogs are known for their muscular build, high energy, and intense drive. Gator line pit bulls are alert, confident, and highly driven. They form strong bonds but require experienced handling. Without proper training, these dogs can exhibit unwanted drive, but with guidance, they become loyal and protective companions. The Gator line originated from APBTs selected for stamina and courage, making them some of the most physically capable pit bulls. Compared to other pit bulls, Gator lines are more aggressive in drive, retaining powerful working instincts. They require structured routines and intensive exercise to channel their energy positively. Only experienced owners should consider this line. When trained correctly, they can perform in protection and agility while remaining exceptionally loyal to their family. The Conyers line, developed by breeder John Conyers, is designed to produce consistent working dogs with a balanced temperament. This line emphasizes loyalty and intelligence, while minimizing the risk of aggression seen in some fighting-focused lines. Conyers pit bulls are protective and highly trainable, exhibiting strong loyalty and a natural intelligence that helps them excel in obedience. Tracing back to working-class APBTs, this line was selected for reliability and a predictable temperament. Compared to American Bullies, they retain more agility and traditional structure, offering a calmer and more stable alternative to high-drive lines. They are notable for consistency in both temperament and physical traits, prioritizing health and stability above all. Early socialization and structured routines ensure well-rounded behavior. They respond exceptionally well to positive reinforcement. Conyers pit bulls are capable companions, excelling in family life, dog sports, and diverse working environments. Historically, pit bulls were often crossed with other terriers or strong breeds to enhance specific traits such as courage, stamina, and jaw strength. Fighting lines were selectively bred to produce tenacious dogs expected to display high drive and courage in confrontational situations. In contrast, modern responsible breeding focuses on temperament, health, and family suitability. Breeders now prioritize stable social behavior, ensuring dogs interact well within their communities. Physical health is paramount, avoiding inbreeding to prevent genetic disorders and ensure a long, happy life. And temperament consistency is key, ensuring the dog's personality aligns perfectly with modern family needs. By focusing on these modern priorities, we can ensure a bright and stable future for these amazing and loyal companions. Let's compare the three main pit bull categories. Fighting lines, such as the Gator and early Red Nose, are defined by high drive and intense energy. They can be challenging if poorly trained. Companion and family lines, like the Old Family Red Nose, American Bully, and Conyers, are known for their balanced temperament and affection. Compact lines, specifically the Pocket Pit Bull, offer a smaller size while retaining the full pit bull spirit, making them perfect for smaller homes. Understanding these differences is critical. Mislabeling a dog's line leads to improper handling, which often fuels negative perceptions of the breed. The truth is in the lineage. Knowledge ensures a stable future for these loyal dogs. Pit bulls come in many forms, from the agile and loyal APBT to the muscular American Bully and the historic Gator line. Each breed and line has unique traits, temperament, and historical background. Understanding these differences allows owners and enthusiasts to appreciate the breed fully while avoiding misconceptions. If you want a pit bull in your life, research the specific line, commit to responsible training, and provide mental and physical stimulation. These dogs are not just pets. They are intelligent, loyal companions capable of deep bonds with humans. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe AnimologyX. By spreading accurate knowledge about pit bulls, you can help change public perception and highlight the incredible loyalty, courage, and intelligence these dogs offer.